So good morning to all of you MSc first year physics student. So today again welcome to lecture series on our subject is the quantum mechanics, and we want to continue the angular momentum. And today is the last day, so that we have to see what is the commutation relation between the angular momentum of the rising and lowering operator. And we want to see that the type 5 types of the example, so that is the rising operator, that L plus which is operate on the Lx, and what is the result of this, again L plus which operate on Ly, and L plus which is operate on the Lz. So now today we want to see that is the type 4 example. So rising operator H L plus which is operates on the Lx. Again we want to see the this L plus operator which is operates on the Ly, and this L plus operator which is operates on the Lz cap. Okay. Now see first this L plus operator which is operates on this Lx. So now this L plus operator which is operates on the Lx, and you know that the operator value L plus which is nothing but the Lx plus Ily. So this is Lx plus Ily comma Lx cap. Okay. And if you split this commutator bracket, so again see here, so this Lx cap comma Lx cap, so that is nothing but this Lx operator, first of all this Lx plus this I taken outside of this commutator bracket, and this Ly again operate on this Lx. So this Ly which is operates on the Lx. Okay. Again see here, so you have to know that this Lx operate on Lx, so this value is nothing but the 0, so that's why 0 plus I into remaining commutator bracket this Ly cap comma Lx cap. Okay. And you know that identity, so that is the Ly cap comma Lx cap. So this is nothing but the minus IH cross of Lz cap. Okay. So that's why using this identity, okay, I have to bracket here. So by using this, the result which now will become here, so that is the I is already here in bracket of minus IH cross of Lz. Okay, minus IH cross of Lz. And if you solve this bracket, okay, you know that this I into I is nothing but the I square, and the value of I square is nothing but the minus 1, and minus minus this plus, so that the L plus operator which operate on the Lx, so that the final result we got here, so that minus minus plus, so that is the H cross of Lz, H cross of Lz cap. So this is the final result of commutator bracket of that rising operator which is operates on the Lx. Now we want to see about this bracket, so that is the L plus and Ly cap. L plus and this operates on the Ly cap. Okay. And split again this L plus bracket is nothing but the Lx plus Ily comma this operate on this Ly cap. Okay. And again the commutator relation, this operator Lx operator with operates on this Ly, and Ly which is operates on this Ly, so that the first commutator bracket, so that Lx cap which is operates on this Ly cap, okay, plus this I which is taken common for outside, or here Ly cap which is operates on this Ly cap, okay. And you know that this result, so this Ly cap is operates on the Ly cap, this again going to 0, and here the remaining commutator bracket is Lx cap which operates on the Ly cap, okay. And you know that property, so that is the Lx cap comma Ly cap is nothing but the IH cross of Lz, IH cross of Lz, and by using this identity, okay, so by using this, so your final result, so that is L plus cap is operates on this Ly cap is nothing but the IH cross of Lz cap, and this is your final result of the your rising operator which is operates on the angular momentum with y components. Now third property we want to see, this L plus cap is operates on this Lz cap. So now we want to solve here. L plus cap which is operates on this Lz cap, so that is nothing but the Lx plus ILy comma Lz cap, okay. And again, if we want to solve this commutator bracket, this Lx which is operates on this Lz, and Ly which is operates on this Lz, so Lx cap comma Lz cap, again plus sign is there, this I is taken outside, and this Ly cap is operates on this Lz cap, okay. And you know that the identity which is given here, so this is the Lx and Lz cap, okay. So now first identity here, you know that this Lx cap and Lz cap is nothing but the minus IH cross of Ly cap, okay. And this Ly and Lz cap, Ly and Lz cap is nothing but the IH cross of Lx cap, okay. And by using this two identity, so your result, so solving this bracket, so Lx and Lz which is nothing but the minus IH cross of Ly cap, and this is nothing but the plus I into IH cross of Lx cap, okay. And if you solve this, so that your final result will become here, so that is the you know that I into I, so that is the I square, that value is minus H cross is there, so that here result will become here, so minus IH cross Ly cap minus IH cross of Ly cap, and here minus H cross of Lx minus H cross of Lx cap, okay. And if you see, solve this example, so that is the minus H cross is if taken outside, okay. So in bracket what is remaining, so that is the Lx plus ILy cap, Lx plus ILy cap. And if you solve this commutator bracket, and you know that identity, so that is the Lx plus ILy, so that is the you know that this L plus cap is nothing but the Lx plus ILy cap. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket, so what happens here? So that final result is minus h cross, and this Lx plus ILy cap is nothing but the L plus cap. So that is here the L plus cap. Okay, so that's why your the L plus, that rising operator which is operates on the Ly cap, and the final result is nothing but the minus h cross of L plus cap. This is very useful or very important identity. Next lecture we want to see here again. So what is the spherical harmonic result of this angular momentum operator and how it is solved? This idea will be again see here. Now next concept next we want to solve this bracket. So that is the L plus which is operates on this Lz. So what is the result will become here? So that is we want to here the identity. Okay. So L plus operates on Lx is also done. L plus Ly is also done, and L plus and Lz. L plus which is operates on the Lz is also done. So we want to see that here. So the L, that is the type 5 example. So that is the L minus, that is the lowering operator which is operates on the Lx, Ly and Lz. Okay, so this is the type 5 examples. Okay, so which type here? L plus Lx, L plus Ly, L plus Lz. So similar type of here. So that lowering operator, okay, lowering operator which is operates on the Lx, Ly, Lz. So this Ly cap which is operates on the Lx. Next one is this L minus cap which is operates on the Ly cap, and next one is this is L minus cap which is operates on the Lz cap. Okay, and if you solve this identity, so now first identity or the commutator bracket which is the L minus cap which is operates on this Lx cap. Okay, so what is the result? So you know that this L minus cap, this operator which is nothing but the Lx minus ILy. So see here, so this Lx minus ILy cap, and this operates on this Lx cap operator. Okay, and if you see split this bracket, so this Lx which is operate on this Lx cap, so that Lx comma Lx cap, and taken this minus sign outside, this I is also outside, and the Ly operator which is operates on the Lx cap. Okay, you know that this Lx cap which is operates on this Lx cap, so that result is 0 here. So that is the 0 minus I into Ly cap and Lx cap. Okay, and you know that identity. So this Ly cap comma this Lx cap is nothing but the minus IH cross of Lz cap. Okay, and by using this identity, okay, so by using this, so your result will become here. So here minus I sign is already here, and Lx is nothing but the minus IH cross of Lz. Okay, so this minus minus get plus, and this I is I into I is nothing but the I square, and I square value is the minus 1. So that's why this result will become here. So this L minus operator which is operates on the Lx cap, so your final result is nothing but the minus H cross of Lz cap, and this is the final result of this commutator bracket. Okay, now we want to see next, so that is the this L minus cap, this lowering operator which is operates on this Ly cap. So what is the result will become here. So now next, L minus cap which is operates on this Ly cap, and you know that what is the L minus cap. So this is nothing but the Lx minus Ily which is operates on the Ly cap. Okay, and if you solve this commutator bracket, so that commutator bracket which is Lx which is operates on this Ly cap, and next minus I is taken here, and this Ly cap which is operates on this Ly cap, and you know that this Ly operates with Ly cap, so this is not possible, so that's why this is get 0. So that next operator or commutator bracket, this Lx cap comma Ly cap is the result. Okay, and you know that what is this Lx cap and Ly cap. So this Lx cap and Ly cap is nothing but the I h cross of Lz, cross of Lz, and you know that, so that is the your L minus cap operator and Ly cap operator, which is nothing but the IH cross of Lz cap, IH cross of Lz cap. Okay, again we want to see our next example, so that is the L minus and Lz cap. So that is we want to see that identity which is the type 5 example. So third identity, so that is your lowering operator which is the operates on the Lz cap. L minus which is operates on the Lz cap. So this L minus is nothing but the Lx minus Ily is comma Lz cap. Okay, and if you operate this Lx on Lz and Ly on this Lz, so what happens here? So this Lx is operates on the Lz cap minus I, this Ly is operates on the Lz cap. Okay, and you know that the identity, so that is first result will become, so this Lx comma Lz cap is nothing but the minus IH cross of Ly cap, minus IH cross of Ly cap, and next property, so that is this Ly comma Lz, so is nothing but the IH cross of Lx cap. Okay, and by using this identity, so we have to get idea this Lx comma Lz cap is nothing but the minus IH cross of Ly cap. Here minus I is there, and in bracket, so that is the IH cross of Lx cap. So you know that, so this identity minus IH cross of Ly cap minus minus sign is there, I into I square, so that is the minus 1 minus minus plus, and this is nothing but the H cross of Lx, H cross of Lx. And if you take this H cross is taken outside, so this is nothing but the Lx minus Ily cap. Okay, and again you know that property, So this Lx minus ILy cap is nothing but the L minus cap. Okay, and this by using this identity, okay, by using this identity, so that is nothing but the here what is L minus operator which is operates on this Z cap, so that final result is there, so that is the H cross of L minus cap, H cross of L minus cap. So this is the your final result. So that is today in this lecture, let's see the idea, that concept of which is what is the result of your rising operator which is operates on the angular momentum of Lx, Ly, Lz, and your lowering operator which is operates on the Lx, that is L minus, which is operates on the Lx, Ly, Lz, and now that result which is in front of you. Okay, so now next lecture we want to see again what is the L plus operator and L minus operator which is combinedly operate on Lx, Ly, Lz, and what is the result will be obtained here. So that will be seen in the next lecture. So thanking of you.